Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. We want to start on the weekly chart to give you an idea where we stand on the MATIC chart. So the MATIC chart has produced so far 3 waves up into the May 2021 highs. Then an ABC structure that moved down here in June 22 could have been the bear market low. And we did hold long-term support, which is at 14 cents. 38.2 fib level at around about 30 cents was key support. That did hold as well. And since then, the price has moved in a somewhat impulsive looking move up into the August 22 highs, and then a more than 1 year lasting correction in an ABC structure with an overshooting B wave here. And this wave 2 might be finished. It might get another low, but at the moment, I think we are watching very closely if this wave 2 is over. MATIC also broke above this trend line on the weekly. That has some significant impact. Next we are watching if MATIC can move up in a third wave here into this region between $1.69 to $2.44. Just a very, very broad area that could be an area of interest in the next move to the upside. We should then come down in a wave 4 and a wave 5. So the wave 5 should be one more push higher and lead us to basically bull market targets, roughly between $5 and $8. That can change. These are all levels that are basically just based on what we can currently see, but this can certainly still be a little bit higher. Just want to make you aware that MATIC looks pretty good from a long-term chart point of view. Certainly, there are other scenarios that could play out here, like a triangle. I mean, this is a wave 4. This could become a triangle. The move up could already have started in an ending diagonal. There are many ways of how this could have played out. For example, it could be that this wave 5 here might have been a 3-wave move, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But that doesn't really matter in the short term. It doesn't really impact overall targets too much. So at the moment, we're very much observing if this move to the upside has already started. Let's take a look at the micro count. This is basically our short-term or medium-term support area here, where we expect it to turn around between 41 cents and 50 cents, between the golden ratio and the 78.6 retrace. And the market did turn around. The question is just, is this a sustainable move? Is this a sustainable increase now to new all-time highs? We don't know that yet. I have to say that very clearly. This can easily still break down. There's nothing here that would suggest anything more bullish is going on than in the months before. So I have to say that very clearly. Also from a risk management point of view, there's nothing here in this chart that would give me confidence that a low is already in, but we're watching it. And I think at the moment we can carefully assume it, because if we assume that Bitcoin, for example, is in a bull run, then we would have to, we would have to take a similar perspective on most coins, at least on coin charts that have a solid trajectory. And the MATIC chart overall is a solid chart. There are charts that have made new all-time lows and stuff like that, so we don't even want to talk about them. But from the charts that we cover, I mean, MATIC is also one of the better ones, and it seems likely to assume that it will follow Bitcoin. Therefore, of course, there is a bullish scenario. Seems like things might be changing in the crypto market, but again, it's still all very fragile, and we will not rule out another low here. That would be the white wave count, and it takes a break below 55.8 cents to confirm that the white count is playing out. As long as that's holding, we can focus on higher in the yellow count. Support is defined between 55.8 cents and 59.7 in yellow wave 4. Because it could form a diagonal here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Basically, one more high is needed to form a 5-wave move up. And I'd like to see MATIC go to the area around 69 to 72 cents, maybe a little higher in this 5th wave. We could now be moving in this 4th wave correction at the moment. So market is a bit slow. Market is always a little bit slow in a 4th wave. But at the moment, it seems like that while some coins are consolidating, others are moving strongly. So I think MATIC just seems to be setting up for the next move up, especially as the move down is currently only in 3 waves. So that is looking good. Now this could turn into a larger 3-wave move. And to be honest, a wave 4 in a diagonal should come down a little lower. Normally the 59.7 cent level in this case, the 38.2 fib level is an ideal target. But it hasn't even touched that. It came very close, but it hasn't touched that yet. So we're still watching for that to be reached, and micro support here at the moment is sort of 60 cents, you know, these two swing lows. But yeah, I think there's not much more to add. Very much watching if in any pullback now the 55.8 cent level can hold support. That's my update about MATIC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.